This is the moment the whole chapter has been building toward. One accepted idea, one click, and a fully structured improvement project. Let's promote it. Back in the register, our support tickets idea is accepted, and it has grown a new button, Promote to Project. Click. And just like that, LeanProjax charters a real assignment. No blank page, no setup wizard. We land straight inside the new project, with the whole structure ready and waiting. Look across the top. Charter, plan, voice of the customer, processes, capability, analyze, and more. That's the DMAIC path, and we'll walk it section by section over the coming chapters. Now here's the payoff for a measurable problem and a named sponsor back in the register. The charter already lists Priya Nair as program sponsor. And open the project overview, and there's the problem statement. A first reply takes 9.2 hours. Customers expect one within 2. Nothing retyped. Nothing lost. And that's the full path. An idea, 2 honest scores, a proper screening, and now a chartered project, with a paper trail from complaint to charter. Next chapter, define. We turn this project into an agreement everyone can sign. See you there.